Throat and neck sign and symptoms. Painful or stiff neck. Painful or stiff neck. The most common cause of a painful or stiff neck is retention of wind and dampness in the muscle of the neck, which is a type of painful obstruction syndrome. Another common cause of painful or stiff neck is liver qi stagnation, which is usually due to stress, frustration, and resentment being held in, and liver yang rising or liver wind may also cause a stiff or painful neck. This is more common in the elderly, often but not necessarily associated with hypertension. A less common cause of a stiff or mildly painful neck is a kidney deficiency, being due to kidney yang not nourish the bladder channel in the neck, yung tumatanto sa neck, causing only chronic stiff neck and usually seen only in the elderly. Invasion of external wind cold causes an acute stiff neck with all the other characteristic symptoms of external invasion such as aversion to cold and sneezing. So treatment po natin, neck ache from Taiyang channels. So 51 to 3 with bladder 62. Shen Mai, governing vessel, bladder 10. Neck ache from Xiaoyang channels, triple corner 5, gallbladder 20. So yung mga pwede natin tusukan. Painful or stiff neck. Summary natin, wind and dampness in the muscle of the neck, pain and stiffness reacting to weather. Liver qi stagnation comes and goes according to the mood, not reacting to weather. So alam po natin ano. Liver yang rising, intense stiffness, dizziness, propensity to outbursts of anger, and wiry falls. Pag due to liver wind naman ng stiffness, there is tremor. So, kidney deficiency, chronic, more common in the elderly. Pag invasion po ng wind cold, ang stiff neck, sudden onset, acute accompanied by aversion to cold and sneezing. So, wind damp painful obstruction syndrome. So, ang stiff neck po ay may body ache, feeling of heaviness of the body. So, acupuncture natin ang triple corner 5, gallbladder 39, bladder 10, and gallbladder 20. Okay, extra point. Liver qi stagnation. So, ang stiff neck po ay nasa upper back muscle, more are tense. Hypochondrial or epigastric distension. So, irritability, moodiness, a feeling of lump in the throat, premenstrual tension, then wiry pulse. Acupuncture natin, triple Barner 5, triple Barner 6, liver 3, gallbladder 20, and gallbladder 39. Liver yang rising, stiff neck, tense upper back muscle. So there is headache, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outbursts of anger, then wiry falls. So acupuncture, liver 3, gallbladder 20, and triple Barner 5. Invasion of wind cold. So stiff neck with acute onset. Aversion to cold, fever, occipital headache, stiff neck, sneezing, body ache, tongue with thin white coating, floating tight pulse. So, acupuncture po natin ang large intestine 4, triple Barner 5, large intestine 11, bladder 12, lung 7, gallbladder 20, and extra point. Kidney deficiency. Slightly stiff neck. So there is dizziness, tinnitus, lower back ache. Other symptoms depend on whether this is a kidney yin or kidney yang deficiency. So acupuncture natin, kidney 3, REN 4, bladder 23, and U extra point, gallbladder 39, and bladder 10. Liver wind. So stiff neck, headache, tremors, severe dizziness, tinnitus, headache, numbness of limbs, tics, stiff deviated or moving tongue, wiry pulse. Thank you for your attention.